Welcome back to another episode of the Chrysler 300C Hot Wheels build. Today I've got grinder in my hand. I've got the freshly made front bumper, all fitted up, ready to go. And I'm gonna send this all the way through the front end. Before we get into this video, I'm just gonna give a quick shout out to Custom Paints who are backing me on the Chrysler 300C build. I'm gonna be the first person, the very first person in the UK to be debuting the Candora Candy. Candy usually gets attacked aggressively by the UV. So it goes outside, sits in the sun and the colour fades. Candora is candy, but it has different pigments in it, which prevents this from happening. If you want to go have a look, click the link in the bio and check it out for yourself. Now, when I first put it on, I wasn't going to put it on. And everybody in the room was like, oh my God, that is so much better. And I was standing there thinking, this looks like your everyday bolt-on body kit. That is horrific. It looks horrific. And everyone's trying to convince me otherwise. It's so cool. Honestly, it's really good. It looks sick. So I went home at the weekend. That was Friday. I went home, well, no, it was last week. And I went home at the weekend and I'm thinking, what can I do? What can I do? I'm not happy with that grill. I can't keep that grill. And I've committed too much now because I've had to cut all the front out to fit the grill in there. And I've come up with an idea. I'm gonna cut the whole fucking thing out. I'm gonna chop the whole lot out. Every single grill is coming out. I'm gonna keep the surround. I'm gonna utilize the surround for the shape because now that I've got it perfect, there's no point wasting it. And I'm gonna chop the entire grill out and I'm gonna make this, imagine a pair of pouting, kissing lips, right? Sucking in the air. It's gonna come out like lips all the way around. I'm gonna mold this all together, one big suction tunnel, like a fighter jet, sucking in all the air at the front with a big black grille behind it, and in gold, a plaque that says Gunslinger. Goddamn, she gonna look fire. Better get a grinder out. Right, let's get crazy. Oh, that's better. That's better. Get that last one out there. Goodbye, fucking minions. Look at that. Oh, she's beauty. She's a beauty. So what I'm gonna do now, she's a beauty. I'm gonna clean up all these edges and then I'm gonna fiberglass them. And what I'm gonna do then is create some depth, like a tunnel, so that the grille itself is gonna be set back into the car. And then I'm gonna put these fiberglass, these pouting lips onto it to look like it's sucking the cold air into the car. Right, this is gonna be fucking awesome. This is gonna be so much better than a crappy aftermarket grill. These bumpers are definitely a two-person bumper. Right. Right. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is king. That is so much better. Oh my God. I cannot explain how happy I am that I've just done that. Oh, wasn't it ugly before? That, so now, if you can envision, that's all gonna be one big black void, right? Really deep inset grille with Gunslinger, a gold emblem in the middle, and then this surround here. Mold this all into one and bring them out like a kissing lip, you know? So it kind of, if I come above, so it comes out and then, you know, like a kissing, pouting lip and then sucking in that air. Like a fucking Hoover, like an Hoover. Go, that's the look I'm going for. Mate. Yes. Gunslinger knows best. None of this body kit bullshit. Let's go. I think maybe probably we should put the clips in here and put the bonnet down to see the full effect. Because I am very, very excited. I seem to have lost the other trim clip. Never mind. We only need one. It's not like I'm driving off with it, is it? Let's put this down. I'm excited. I'm like a little kid at Christmas. Right. That's not down properly, but let's have a look at that. Oh my God, look at the, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is a thing of wet dreams, is it not? That is so nice. Oh my God. Boy, am I glad I cut that grill out. That's been bugging me all weekend. You know, I didn't sleep a wink last night. I've been up all night stressing about it, thinking that is the most horrific thing I've ever done on a custom car. Why did I put a bolt-on grill in there? It's literally against everything I stand for. And, mate, it's so good. So good. Oh my God, I'm in love with it. Mate, I'd rather drive it around like that in its raw state before I've done any work on it than leave that grill on it. That is beautiful. Oh, I'm excited. I just want to get it done and painted now. I'm so excited. I mean, I'm a bit apprehensive of driving it down the road and hitting a pothole, granted, but, oh mate, I'm in love. I'm in love with my Chrysler again. I'm like a kid at Christmas. I ain't been this happy in a long time. And half my car's in pieces. But that's so good. Why did I not do that sooner? That is sick. Mate, that is ready for 164, is it not? Come on. I'm unsure what to do with the front splitter. I think I should probably sort of half graft it into the bumper. Possibly, probably, is the best idea. But then the other thing I'm thinking of is the front splitter is what's going to take all the abuse. So if it's grafted into the bumper and it takes an impact, that's going to impact the bumper. Whereas if it's glued on and separate, if anything, if the worst did happen, it's only going to rip the splitter off. That's a decision, isn't it? Or I could fiberglass the shit out of it from the inside and the outside and make it one giant solid brick at the bottom. And then if it does hit a pothole, the pothole will come off worse than the car. Because don't forget also, I'm planning on raising the rear end and putting great big fat fucking tyres on the back and turning this into a massive rake. So that nose is probably going to be buried in the ground. I need to think seriously about my suspension setup, because this could get very, very expensive driving it down the road. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, I'm going to cut this video here because I need to do some other work, and I can't spend all day on this because it's bank holiday. I've come in specially to get some other shit done. So I've already wasted 2 hours. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to get on with the other stuff, and I will love you and leave you. Toodle pip. See you in a bit. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let me know your thoughts on the front end. Love you all. Much love. Toodle pip. See you in a bit. Bye. I said that fucking twice, didn't I? Donkey.